Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn keyword search, that what is actually the keyword search and how we can do practically keyword searches. So first of all, you should know the competition. So for example, you are creating a website for shoe store, or you are going to create a blog on IT articles. Then you should know that what is your competition, and competitors content is very important, that what your competitor are actually doing. So according to that, you can actually plan your keyword searches, and then you can be successful. There are different search volumes for different terms. For example, if we have short terms, medium terms, long terms, and then long tail terms. So these terms have different volumes. So if your keyword is small, very short, then it's not very difficult to target that keyword and get a reward. Okay. Also we have to find out the low competition keywords, and we will explain practically now these are all things. And relevant keywords is also very important, that your keywords should be relevant to your content, and there are different type of keywords. So we will see these steps practically, these points practically. So let's open the Google AdWords and go to the keyword planner. So let's go to planning, let's go to the keyword planner, and here we are. And definitely we can actually get search volume new keywords. So here you can see that if for example we have a shoe, we want to actually sell out our shoe. Then if for example we simply type here shoes, then if we will just get a search, you will see that this term is very common. Okay, and with shoe related keywords, you will find out here a lot of keywords are related to the shoes. So here you can see that we have the shoes itself on the top, which has a low competition, even although it's a very common name, but it has a low competition, and 3-month chance, 10 to 100k monthly average searches are there for the shoes. So if for example if we want to target shoe keyword, it's relevantly difficult, but if we will find out a little bit bigger keywords, for example medium keywords or longer keywords, it will be fine. So usually one word keyword is called single, or 2-word keyword is called the small keywords. Okay, so as you can see, we have boots, which is also small keyword. We have Nike Air Force One, which is actually not short keyword, but it is a medium keyword. Okay, and the medium keyword usually contain 2 to 4 key and then you can see that we have a lot of keywords related to shoes. Okay, so for example, if we find out here shoes, and if we want to sell out shoes in a particular area, so for example we are in a city, Islamabad, then we will just type shoes shops. Okay, so this is shoe shops is another keyword. So if we search for this keyword, you will see that this keyword is also have lot of key monthly searches, and this is also a small keyword. But here you can see we have some keywords which are medium pace keywords: Tory, but birch, shoes, etc. Okay, so this is also a keyword. So for example, if we type here the keyword shoes, shops, Islamabad, so this is a keyword which is quite focused and it will relate to our content. So for example, our shoe shop is in Islamabad, then this keyword is much better than and the searches for this keyword will be more relevant to our content. So here you can see that we have certain keywords suggestions: logo shoes Islamabad, we have metro shoes Islamabad, which are actually the bigger brands. So definitely you can choose a better keyword. So here you can see a keyword which is okay, this is a long tail keyword which contain more keywords, okay, more words, and you can see elegancia shoes outlet in Islamabad. Because we are not focusing the elegancia shoes, it is a specific brand, so we will not go for this. Okay, but we can actually search for a bigger keyword as well. So for example, if we move to the next keyword, for example, here, come here, and if we want to be more specific, then we will type cheap shoes in shops in Islamabad. Okay, so this is a keyword which is actually a little bit long, and it will also have quite low competition. Okay, here you can see for this specific keyword cheap shoes in Islamabad, we have only 10 to 100 monthly searches. So this keyword, we can actually choose this keyword and we will focus this keyword for our website. Also you can see cheap shoes shops in Islamabad. So cheap shoes shops and cheap shoes in Islamabad are actually two keywords which we can focus. So whenever you try to focus a keyword, make sure that that specific keyword is relevant to your content, and also it should be long tail keyword, and long tail keywords can focus and can get success easily and in a short term. So that's it for keyword researches, and we'll move further. Goodbye.